This education video will assist you in creating different types of patient lists. You can create lists by location. You will choose the New Visit List icon, and once you click on this, in this box you will choose the Location tab. Here you will have 3 options, and you will choose a third one, which includes patients at the selected location only. You will choose the PIH Health Hospital, and then the inpatient locations, although there are other options that you can choose. Once you click on the addition sign, you will then pick the units or the locations that you want to create your list with. Once I hold the Control key down and click on All Units, I click Add, and it will populate to the right-hand side. I will click on the OK button at the bottom of this box, and I will name the list. This list name will be how it will appear in my current list drop-down. Once I click on OK, my current list will now populate with my location list, and you'll see in the current location column the new locations. You can create personal lists based on a certain amount of patients from your location-based list. This may be useful if you're a staff nurse and only want to see your assigned patients. There are 2 ways to create this list. The first one is by clicking on the first patient and dragging to highlight the patients you want. You will choose the Save Selected Patients button. You will click into the New List Name option and name your personal list. Once you click OK, that list will display in your current list drop-down menu. If your patients were not in a row, you will choose your patients by holding the Control key down on your keyboard and clicking on the patients that are part of your assignment or the desired list. Once you have chosen your patients, you will click on the Save Selected Patients button and name your list in the New List Name menu. Once you name your list, you will click OK, and you will see your list displayed in the Current List drop-down menu. You can manage your personal lists by removing, adding, or replacing patients on those lists. If you wanted to replace a current list, you can simply highlight the patients that you want on that list, for example, your next shift that you work, choose Save Selected Patients, choose the option to replace patients on the selected list, and choose the list that you want to replace. Once you click OK, your previous patients will be replaced by the current patients. If you want to remove a patient from this list, you simply highlight that patient and choose the icon Remove Selected Visits. This will take a patient off your personal list. If you wanted to add a patient to this personal list, say a new admit, you would simply go back to your location-based list, highlight that patient, and choose the option Add Patients to Selected List. You will then see that your current list displays both the removed and added patients. You can also delete lists when you no longer need them. It is very important to make sure that the list you want to delete displays in the Current List drop-down. You will then choose the icon that says Delete Current List. Double check and say OK. This list will be removed from your Current List drop-down.